Okay, when you receive your shipment, open it up. Your display is going to be inside along with the product. So open it up, take out the packaging, and all of these extra pieces, set them aside, and we are going to walk through how to build your display. Okay, so wrapped inside, this is our product. We're going to tuck that in last, so I'm just going to set it aside for right now. So what we're going to do next is build basically a frame that the display wraps around. So to do that, we're going to start with one of the shorter pieces with a circle in the middle and start by building a U. So we're going to take our side pieces, tuck that shorter piece, that's going to be our bottom, just like this, and that goes down into the very back of the box to make a nice tight fitting frame. And then we can take off the sticky pieces here so that it sticks and stays permanent. Okay, so it stays nice and tight. Let's try this side. Okay, so once we have our U, the little tabs at the top, little punch tabs, pop them in just a little bit because we're going to put this last piece inside in order to build a nice sturdy frame. So each of these are going to go inside those flaps. So there we have a nice sturdy frame for our back panel to wrap around. So we'll bring this around. There's little tabs at the top to tuck in on either side. I'll show you what that looks like here. I know it's hard to see. Okay. And then there's little slots. I'll show you here. There's little slots on either side where these tabs are going to tuck in to keep that panel in place. So our display is done. It's time to put our product into it. So we're going to take our Rapid Rafters and place them into the slots just like this. So they slide in that back like that, so they are nice and displayed. And then there should be one extra Rapid Rafter where it says place square here. We're going to pop that on top to show everyone how it works. And you're done. You're ready to sell.